that smoke. It's beautiful.
The valve seater got here yesterday, and the valves got here today. They say they're stainless steel, but they're looking real nice. I've got all of them set and lapped. Hopefully, I did it right, and hopefully, I can get it to fire on 4 cylinders. Now, I'm gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Seems a little bit different, but I'm not sure if it is or not. Oh. Man, could my rings be that bad? What's going on? Kind of wonder what my compression's like. Or am I screwing something up as far as my timing? Could that be what I'm doing? I'm not getting spark. I don't know which one's which here. Why am I not getting spark? Maybe it's my coil boxes. I don't know that I've ever checked if it's buzzing. Am I getting anything out of there? I was just under the assumption that I was. Very well could be my coil boxes being trashed. Now I'm actually wanting to test something. What if I put number 1, which I know works, into number 4? I think I'm gonna try that. Just to see what happens. Okay, power's off. I do not want to get zapped by these things. They're 10 to 20,000 volts. Oh, yeah, it's my coil boxes. Okay. got one hell of a spark doing that. All right. I wonder if it's gonna run on cylinder number 4. That should be enough to give me a sign. Okay, it's my coil boxes. All right, well, it turns out that pretty much they just needed to be cleaned. But you can listen now. Let's see, that is number 2. That's number 4. Right there. Okay, see sparking? Right there. And I did make sure that the spark plug is actually sparking with all of these. Let's see if we can actually get this thing to fire on all 4 cylinders. Look at that smoke. It's beautiful. Sweet. Nice. I told you I could do it. I told you I could do it. Beautiful. Well, how about that? I hope you enjoyed this. And kids, don't let people tell you that there's not more than one way to do things. You know how many naysayers I had about this thing? I also want to encourage young people watching, dig into things. Get your hands dirty and just have some fun doing it. Learn how things work. It is fun. It is interesting. I didn't know anything about Model Ts when I started doing this. The electrical system is completely different than anything modern, than anything mid-century. It's early, it's a relic, it's beautiful, it's awesome. This is so much fun to do this kind of stuff. Please, get your hands dirty, explore, look into things, dig into things, tear things apart, have fun. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And also I have a members page if you like watching me do this. I am so happy. I hope you're happy too. Stay tuned for the next one.